Hello, Pauline. Happy 7th birthday from Tita Myrtle. I will not make my message long already because Auntie is tired from work. I wish you all the best. We miss you and hope to see you here in Hawaii. Bye.
Hello Pauling, Apo. Happy 7th birthday. Sana lalaki kang mabait at lagi mong mamahalin at susundin si Mama at Papa. Ganon din si Mama Juliet at Papa Norman. So, pinagdadasal namin palagi na magiging successful ka sa iyong hinaharap at sana lagi kang gabayan at bantayan ng Diyos. Kada kayo matinta kakabagyan, kumusta kayo dita? Sapay lang kung mata nakaratkat kayo. And miss na namin kayo lahat-lahat and we love you all. God bless. Ulit, happy birthday. Ay, kay Kiriel pala. Kiriel, Apo, miss ka na rin namin, Pogi. Si ate.
Happy
ay, tita.
birthday, Pauline.
Sige na dyan.
Baba ko po.
Upo ka na. O, yan. Yan.
Say happy birthday ka. Let's sing.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Pauline. Happy birthday, Pauline. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday, Pauline.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy
Happy birthday, Pauline.
Happy birthday, Pauline.
Hello, how are you? Happy birthday and more birthdays to come from your Lolo, from you. Stay sweet as you are. Again, happy birthday.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
I'm Lola Minyang, greeting Pauline May a happy 7th birthday. Happy birthday, darling. Stay sweet and pray to God for our good health. Bye-bye.
Hello. Pauline. Happy birthday, Pauline. I love you, Nakong.
Poko naman.
When? How young are you?
I love you na kong. Apo ko na.
How are you, Pauline?
Pasen. Pito na ka no.
Oy, Myrtle naman na.
Uy, nalpasen. Isan nan.
Hindi mo magkuti happy birthday.
Aman, nalpasen.
Uy, happy birthday happy birthday.
Birthday, Ate Pauline. Naibang mo na. Happy birthday, Ate Pauline. More birthdays to come. Good health. See you soon. Ate. Gani kita mani. We love you. Bye-bye, Ate. Happy birthday.